All right, what we're going to do today, 99 to '02 Silverado, Sierra, Yukon, Suburban, Tahoe, those models, is the pull handle. We're going to remove this pull handle. I sell a ton of these because they're always breaking, they're always ripping, and they're super easy to get out. I think I did a video on this, but I don't really like it. It didn't explain it very well. So super easy. All right. So first off, this is already off, but that right there, pull that off. Bada boom. Window switch. Pop that off. Let me grab my screwdriver. All right. Oh, there it is right there. Okay. All right, so you just pop this off here. There we go. And this is the same, driver's side, passenger side, all the same. Electrical connector. All right. There's that. All right, so now what you got, now that you've got the window switch out, that off, you have a 7mm. You actually have two 7mm. One is right there, and the other is down here, underneath that handle section. All right, so there's that. Now what you got to do is you just got to pull up on this door panel, pull straight up. You have to pull a little bit firm. So let's see here. Pull straight up. There. All right. So that releases the door panel. These slides. See that slide down there? Those slides. All those slides right there is what holds that panel down in. So now you've got an electrical connector. This one happens to have a heated seat switch. So you have this connector right here. Pull that right off. Your speaker, your tweeter. Most of them have that. Same thing. Sorry, camera's moving around here. There we go. So there's that. Now, throw this panel upside down, and I'll show you right here. All right, there's a 7mm, two 7mm on the base side, under the base side. Out of there. Now on the front section of the handle, you have two more 7mm right there. See, that's the front section, back side of the handle. You got 7mm here, 7mm there. All right. Flip it back around. Now all you got to do is just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Come on. There we go. Right there. That one's all good. No cracks. This is where they always crack. Right there. Oh, mishap with my camera. Yeah, they usually separate right there. That's a good handle. If you feel like this video helped out, like the video, comment, subscribe. If you got some ideas on other videos you'd like done on these Silverados or Sierras, just comment below. I'd love to get some ideas on what you guys want to know for interior. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.